Welcome to the AI era. This period of time is going to be responsible for so much change and so many millionaires and billionaires. Even the words millionaire and billionaire have AI in them. There is a huge clue. One amazing way you can leverage this technology to get on that high earning trajectory is with an AI clone of you. Especially if you already have content, especially if you have an audience of people who love hearing from you, especially if you act now before everyone else has the chance to do it. This is where you combine all the work you've already done with the power of AI to supercharge your bank balance. I'm Jodie Cook, founder of Coachvox AI, and in this video, I'm going to share 6 ways you can make money with an AI clone, and they are super simple. When you've created an AI version of you with Coachvox, here is how you can make it make you money. The first and simplest way to generate revenue with an AI clone is to train it to upsell the products and services that you offer. So picture, there's an AI version of you based on your content. It's giving your audience AI assistance. It's helping your clients work through their challenges, helping them improve. It's answering their questions, they're engaging with it, and they're getting massive value from the chat. Your AI clone is building trust and familiarity. It's set up the perfect way of letting them know what they should do next. And there are 2 ways of doing this. The first is that you add them to a mailing list sequence with a series of follow-up emails that get them to come back for their next AI coaching session while recommending upsells. With our platform, not only do you know their email address, but you know what problems they're trying to solve. So use this information to show that you understand. The second is that in this training room, you train your AI to direct people to specific calls to action, maybe to buy a product, to sign up for a service, or to use a calendar link to book a call. Watch the sales roll in. The first example was about giving access to your AI clone for free in order to sell other products and services. This second way involves actually charging for access to your AI. So I want to level with you. When we first built Coachvox, we did not think people would pay for AI coaching. We thought that this was way off in the future along with flying cars. But here's the thing. If your clone is valuable enough to your audience, they will pay to access it. And they'll pay a subscription per week or per month, which marks truly passive income for you. AI coaching is big and it's here to stay, and I want to show you an example. This is Rick Mulready, and he helps online business owners leverage AI and online marketing to supercharge their success. He charges around $50 per month for access to Pick Rick's Brain AI, and he puts subscribers into a private Slack channel so that they can all meet each other. Rick himself is in the channel, but his audience members are mainly engaging with his AI and with the other members. So they are getting massive value far in excess of their monthly fee. And Rick's work is minimal once he trained his AI. Maybe you already have a members group, in which case the AI version of you could be a paid bolt-on. So other creators are charging for access to their AI without having a members group, and you can just do it in whichever way it works for you. Directly charging for access is a huge way to make money with an AI clone. So you simply train your AI, decide what you want to charge, test the AI with a small group, then launch it for real and get a bunch of paid clients who get awesome value. Having a personal brand is a powerful way of making more money, and going live to your audience with an AI version of you is a huge piece of this puzzle. Even the existence of your AI clone positions you as an expert in your field. How many other people in your space have the content and the ability to train an AI? It puts you so far ahead of everyone else. It gives you massive credibility, and it makes people go, oh wow, they must really know their stuff if they can train an AI with it. Do not underestimate the power of being a key person of influence in your field. Do not underestimate the elevated positioning of brand you. Now you have an AI model that people are engaging with and getting massive value from. Think of it like a status symbol for your expertise. So we know that when you make an AI clone based on your content and your style, and you make it available to the world, you are letting an infinite number of people engage with you and your work in a way that's incredibly valuable for them. But here's what you might not realize this does. It puts real life you at a premium. You now have a way of adding value while putting in 0 time. So your actual time is now more valuable. So it makes sense. You can watch hours of footage of Tony Robbins online, you can read his books on repeat, but if you want the real thing, that is going to cost you. You can listen all day to your favourite creators' podcasts, but if you want to put them on a call, there's a price. And most likely, that price is proportionate to how much content they have out there. Produce more content, charge more for your time. When you have an AI version of you chatting to clients, doing a great job, they're going to be thinking, oh wow, if I'm getting so much value from this AI, imagine how much I could get from the real thing. And your prices go up as you see fit. So in practice, this might look like an extra line on proposals or on your website. So the AI version of me is either free or a fairly low cost per month, but the real version of me is X dollars per month. And that multiple might be 100, it might be 1,000 or more. Do not underestimate how much an AI version of you can put upward pressure on your prices and make you more money overall. This fifth way is a really solid one, and it's how a big proportion of our creators are using their AI clone to add value to existing clients. So let's meet Rose Radford. Rose is a successful business coach. She helps female founders make their first million. She does this with one-to-one coaching, group coaching, and a private members group where they ask questions and get help with their challenges. The upkeep of this group used to be intense. So between them, Rose and her team would be answering questions, helping clients with technical or admin issues, and helping guide those entrepreneurs to grow their own businesses. But now, RoseBot does a lot of this work. Rose's team trained RoseBot on all the questions from the group since the start. So the FAQs that they had compiled from emails, as well as Rose's content, her methods, her frameworks, including her book. So members engage RoseBot for guidance on their business challenges. They get a second opinion. They engage with it 24/7, even when the real Rose is asleep. So how does this help Rose make more money? Because she can now work with more people. Her time isn't spent doing customer support or spending so long every month responding to members. She's created a resource that means they get even more value with about 5 hours less of her time a week. So now she can do more marketing, she can speak on more podcasts, or she can take on more coaching clients. She can help her members with those really tricky conversations. Now RoseBot is taking care of the rest. She can even charge more for her membership. The entire offer is now more valuable because it includes a 24/7 AI coach based on her. And finally, you can make money with an AI clone by introducing other people to this technology. So with our Coachvox affiliate scheme, we pay a chunky commission directly to you for anyone you refer our way. And if you're set up with your AI clone, this makes total sense. People see yours, they realize it's amazing, and they want their own. You refer Coachvox and we say thanks in cash. We've got a whole bunch of affiliate resources to make it so simple for you to promote, and it's another way of you making money with AI by leveraging assets you already have and not simply being busier. So they are the 6 ways to make money with an AI clone to get it making you ROI in multiples. Wishing you all the best on your journey to becoming an AI millionaire or billionaire, whichever of the 6 steps that you decide to pursue. If you want to get started with an AI clone, visit Coachvox AI and get signed up. If you want to see how you make one first, this next video breaks down the entire process. There's a link in the description below, or just click the screen right now.